Hello, I'm Dawson with First and Finishing. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to install the E-Feed HD maintenance kit. You will need 3 tools to complete the procedure. First being a 5mm Allen, a dental pick, soapy water. The first step is to go ahead and take out all of these 5mm screws on both sides of the pump. Next, remove all pinch valves, O-rings, and filter elements. To remove the pinch valve, use your Allen wrench and push the sleeve out, just like so. Next, remove all O-rings. To remove the inside O-ring here, use your dental pick and go around and scoop it out. Next, remove this outer O-ring. Now we will remove the last O-ring. Using your dental pick, pull that out and continue for all the rest. Next, using compressed air, blow off all residual powder that is built up on any of the components. Now that we have thoroughly blown off all of the components, we can now go through and clean each component with soapy water. Now that each component has been cleaned off with compressed air and soapy water, we are now ready to go ahead and start installing the maintenance kit. The first step is to add all of the O-rings onto this piece, like so, and continue for each one. Next, we will install all the O-rings that go on the inside of here by simply just pressing them in and rolling it around, just like that. Lastly, we can install the outside O-ring for this piece. Next, we're going to start the assembly of installing the pinch valve sleeves. Quick tip, you see how one side has holes and one side does not? Make sure the side that does not have holes goes on the inside here. And the side that has holes going all the way through goes on the outside. So it'll be installed just like so after the pinch valve sleeves are done. When installing these pinch valve sleeves, take a small amount of soapy water to run around this edge and this edge to allow for an easy fit. Next, take your pinch valve sleeve and press it into here until it's flush with the end of the white piece. Flush right there. Now, you could take this piece and press it through and install another white piece on the other side. It will look something like this. Connect your pinch valve assembly. Be sure the threaded holes are on the inside of the assembly, like so. And your push to connect fitting will be towards your push to connect fittings over here. Assembly should look like so. Use soapy water to help with pinch valve installation around this edge and the inside edge of your pinch valve sleeves. Your pinch valve sleeve should look similar to this. After you finish the pinch valve assembly, quickly take a look down through the center. If there is any binding or clogs, you need to take it back apart and make sure that it is see-through with no binds or clogs on either side of the sleeve. Now that we have each of our pinch valve assemblies complete, we can install it to our pump manifold. When installing filter elements, press one side of it completely flush through the O-ring and slide it in. Now we can install each distribution cap and connecting screws on either end of the pump. And that is how you install the Electron E-Feed HD maintenance kit. I hope this video helped, and we'll catch you on the next one.